Hi, I'm Dr. George Love for Blue Dragon Qigong Academy. I've been doing Qigong 32 years, and you should be also. There's 5 basic reasons why you need to do Qigong. One is to absorb environmental energy from the sun, the earth, cosmic, and to activate your ancestral energy, and to eat better and drink more water. Number 2, you have to learn how to meditate. So we do Blue Dragon Qigong meditation, we do walking meditation, standing meditation, and 6 other kinds of meditation. Number 3, we do Qigong breathing. So we increase the capacity of the lungs to hold air. We expand the intercostal muscles and we put more oxygen in your bloodstream. And that is exactly what Qi is. It's oxygenation of the blood. Number 4, it calms and relaxes the nervous system. It rotates the joint, so it increases joint strength and flexibility. It also increases organ strength. And last but not least, it cultivates longevity into immortality. So we wanted you to join us at one of our classes, at one of our retreats, at one of our seminars. Click the link below and you too can find out how Blue Dragon Medical Qigong will transform your life.